Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in the last video, we solved a problem statement, and in this one, we will learn a little bit about web scraping. So web scraping refers to extraction of data from websites. These data can be useful to data scientists who constantly work on data. One example can be collecting the stocks data that plenty of people work on. We can also collect latest news from various news websites to know what sort of news is popular. So till now we have learned about programming, and this subject is a little bit off from that, but it's quite interesting. So the first thing that we will do is to download and install various softwares or libraries that are required for web scraping. So there are three different things that we require for web scraping. The first one is Selenium. Selenium will help you run the Python code on your HTML page. The next thing, Vint and Toast, it will help us to generate notifications. The last one is a software that we will be downloading. It will help Selenium to manipulate Chrome. So let's see how do we install and download them one by one. So in your Windows, search command prompt and run it in administrator mode. And write pip install Selenium. Pip is used to install all the Python libraries. It will just take 5 to 10 seconds. So we have successfully installed Selenium. Next we will be installing Vint and Toast. And we are done with both of them. Next, open your Chrome and type Chrome WebDriver Selenium Python. Okay, so do not forget to type download. Open the very first link that appears. So there are various versions of Chrome driver that are available. So to make sure that we get the right version, you need to do one thing. Go to the help and click on about Chrome. So here we are listed with the version of Chrome. Mine is 76. So I will be downloading 76. And if yours is 77 or 75, you download the respective Chrome driver. So I have Windows 10, so I will be downloading win32.zip. Extract the folder after you have downloaded it. Make sure that it's easy to locate. Do not try installing this. We will be using it directly in our Python program. And in the very next video, we will see how. That's all for this video. In the next video, we will do a very interesting project, and thank you for watching.